1. The law of compulsive behavior. Recognize patterns. People unconsciously repeat behaviors based on past experiences. This leads to predictable patterns in relationships, decisions, and reactions to challenges. By analyzing past choices, you can identify negative cycles and break free from self-sabotage. Awareness of these patterns allows you to reshape behavior and make smarter decisions. 2. The law of short-sightedness. Be strategic. People focus on immediate rewards, often ignoring long-term consequences. Short-term thinking leads to poor decisions driven by fear or greed. To succeed, adopt a long-term mindset. Anticipate future outcomes, stay patient, and make calculated moves instead of reacting impulsively. This will help you stay ahead of others. 3. The law of defensiveness. Disarm with trust. People instinctively resist being controlled or criticized. Direct confrontation only triggers defensiveness, making persuasion difficult. Instead of forcing ideas, make others feel in control. Approach them with subtlety, show understanding, and appeal to their self-interest to gain cooperation. 4. The law of self-sabotage. Change your attitude. Your mindset shapes your reality. Negative attitudes create obstacles, while a confident, adaptable approach attracts opportunities. To break self-sabotage, develop self-awareness and take responsibility for your actions. A proactive mindset helps turn challenges into growth opportunities. 5. The law of repression. Understand the shadow self. Everyone has a hidden side, repressed emotions, desires, and insecurities. Suppressing these aspects can lead to outbursts or destructive behavior. Rather than ignoring your darker traits, acknowledge and integrate them. Understanding your shadow self leads to greater self-control and inner strength. 6. The law of grandiosity. Control your ego. Success can lead to overconfidence, causing people to take reckless risks or alienate others. Arrogance blinds you to reality and eventual failure. To stay grounded, remain humble and open to feedback. Recognize your limits, continuously improve, and avoid letting ego sabotage long-term success. 7. The law of generational myopia. Understand the times. Each generation has its own values, biases, and way of thinking. Failing to recognize generational shifts can make you outdated or disconnected. To stay relevant, understand cultural trends and generational mindsets. Adapt to change while maintaining your core values.